for Big Mountain's unique 2-for-1 furnace and AC rejuvenation. That's 2 equipment services, and Big Mountain guarantees your complete heating and air system against breakdown for the next 12 months, or the service will be free. Period. $78 to the first 10 callers during this program. Details at bigmountainair.com or just call 916-228-6945.
And with us today, we have Varin Larson from Big Mountain Heating and Air to chime in a little more on that video. And Varin, the video mentions that your service offer is unique. So explain further exactly what makes it so unique.
Yeah, the video that played just before we were talking here was mentioning, you know, when it's really hot or really cold and you call a heating and air conditioning company, they just pay, you're just paying for somebody to come there, diagnose what the problem is, and then charge you whatever they find the problem to be. Our unique 2-for-1 rejuvenation is a package that we offer where we give you a kind of premium service right from the get-go if you're a new client of ours. And one of the things that we do, it's comprehensive. So we're not just coming out there and diagnosing what your problem is, but we're also coming out and actually taking care of your system in a way that we're going to be able to guarantee it for not breaking down for the next year.
Okay.
Heater or furnace.
And explain a little further, too, what makes it so comprehensive?
Well, we guarantee your system won't break down over the course of the next 12 months. It's 2 parts. So you can see on the screen there, it has to do with the furnace and the air conditioner. We start at the filter there. You know, we find pretty dirty filters. We're all used to seeing something like that when we dry our clothes. If you don't stop that from getting into the system, you end up with that. Ooh. And it can end up in there too.
Yeah, have an impact on your health.
You bet. And also, you've got to be aware of the fact that a gas furnace creates a dangerous situation in the house if it's not taken care of, carbon monoxide. Also, if your burners aren't all firing, we'll take care of that. You know, when we do our 2-for-1, we make sure that your heat exchanger is not cracked, because if it is, we get you under warranty for 20 years. You get a new one. Okay,
and we're talking too about a lot about the furnace, but you also address the AC as well.
Yeah, that's just the furnace side of it.
Yeah.
As I said, it's a 2-part rejuvenation, and you don't know how dirty that air conditioning system is. That's what we find underneath the coils oftentimes. We do a comprehensive cleaning of those coils, and it's a complete system, as I said, the heating and the air conditioning system. That's where most furnaces are. That's where yours is, I believe, most of it in your home. And if it leaks, that's what the results are. We see a lot of that. We can stop that with this 2-part rejuvenation from happening and guarantee your system against breakdown all year long, or the service is free.
And Varin, what role do home warranties play when it comes to your home heating and air system?
Well, what happens is they can deny your claim if you haven't taken care of your system. And they're going to give you one of the cheapest options, repair or replacement. And most people are thinking, you know what, I'm not going to worry about doing anything with my heating and air conditioning system because I got a home warranty. Well, you're going to have to pay to have somebody come out there, and if you haven't been taking care of it, they're going to deny your claim, and the maximum amount of money, if you read the small print, is typically around $1,500 if it really does have to be replaced, and that's the last option. So take care of your system, and it'll take care of you.
Okay, and tell us a little more about that rejuvenation.
Yeah, $78. It's a premium service where we come out and take care of both the furnace and the air conditioner for a one-time cost of $78. That's about $6.50 a month, folks, and that's why we can guarantee your system against breaking down, or you using, we'll save you more money than that cost during the course of the year. If we don't, we'll refund your money. It's just that simple.
Excellent, Varin. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Melissa.
Really appreciate it.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.